real talk. How many unfinished projects do you have? I have like a lot. 9, 10, 11, whatever. And the problem isn't like that I always start new projects and that there's a lot going on at the same time. I accepted that, but it's organizing these unfinished projects. The stuff was always everywhere. I couldn't find pieces, fabric got wrinkled or dusty. I was just wasting a lot of time and it was very frustrating. Let me show you a simple system that changed things for me, that made it better. And it's nothing complicated, it's just a few bags that keep everything for each project together. So these are the bags that I'm using. It's just a transparent bag with a zipper and a front pouch, and it keeps everything for one project together. So it can be like the pattern pieces, the original pattern itself, and the tutorial, fabric pieces that are cut, the extra fabric, some notions, could be zippers or buttons or interfacing, everything you need for this project. Your notes, you just put them all in the bag. Label them with the tag if you want. I'm not doing that very often because I can just see what's in there because it's transparent. And I hang them here on the rope. And I have different ones, as you can see. And if I need to work on a certain project, I just grab the bag, use everything what's inside, and when I'm done, just put everything back in the bag and hang it. These are the bags that we're selling at Madame So if you're interested, I'll add the link in the description below, but of course you can use other bags as well. I feel like in general that my sewing room feels less stressful. I know what I'm working on. I see what the unfinished projects are. They're not buried somewhere under a lot of other stuff. And yeah, for me, this is like a simple solution that works. I also wrote a blog post about organizing your sewing projects in general, also with other solutions, because every context and every sewing room, or even without the sewing room, you might need another solution. So there's more inspiration in the blog. I also will link that in the description. And that's it. I think I'm going to do some sewing. Bye.